Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I am Vajra Marate. I am Chavi's sister. Today I am doing an experiment to see how objects float or sink in water, oil and honey. First, I have put a seed. We can see that it is floating on oil. Next, a piece of paper. This is floating on water. Now a rubber band. This floats on water. A button sinks in honey. So does a nut. A stick floats on water. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.